How to see message requests on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see message requests on Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. So what we're going to do first is to check if our Messenger is up to date. To do that, just open up your App Store over here or open up your Play Store if you have an Android and search for Messenger. So we're gonna pay attention to this particular button over here. If that says open, that means that your Messenger is currently up to date and you're good to go. And however, if that says update, you should be updating your app. Just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features and also the latest improvements within the app. Once you have made sure that your Messenger is up to date, just open up Messenger over here. And to see your message requests, first just click on your profile icon located at the top left corner. And immediately you should see the option that says message requests right above the archived chats. Click on that. And there are two tabs over here. First is you may know, so message requests from people you may know. Or the next or the second tab, it says spam. So basically, Facebook is the message request on Facebook tells you when someone you're not friends with on Facebook has sent you a message. However, if Facebook or the Messenger thinks that it's a spam, it will be filtered out right on this tab. And so if you're expecting a particular message request, you can also check the spam tab, and maybe your friend who is trying to message you is on here. And then replying to a message request connects you with the person who sent the request unless you see any media content they sent you. So for example, I'm going to reply to this particular person who messaged me who is not my friend on Facebook. I'm just going to tap on the like button. So as you can see, it now says you can now message and call each other and see info like active status and when you have read messages. So that is how you can basically see message requests on Messenger. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.